So weekend पे क्या कर रहे हो? I have a plan for you. So come down here at Beige Cafe because they have a very cool event going on.
Hi, we are Tamasha. This is our first ever curation happening at Beige Cafe. We are here for the weekend, today and tomorrow.
So we have 10 homegrown brands. We have everything for the summer. Get ready. We have travel fits, and the best thing, we have a sundowner today at 6 p.m. with DJ Rudiment.
So yes, come down here, join us for this event. This is their first ever event called Tamasha. So yes, do visit.
Join us!
You're looking for some very cool hand painted stoles, then we have a brand for you.
Hi, Vani this side. So I'm from Studio Spec Sparkle. I'm an artist and I have created digital illustrations. These are my own curation that I have made them print. So anybody who's interested in totes and customized artwork, then please do visit me and let's get connect. Also, there's any Prajakta Kohli or most recent fans, mismatch fans, then I've curated their bags as well from season 3. Yeah, most welcome. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Sukoon by Shweta. We have cotton achrak tops. We have everything perfect for the summer. Everything is pure cotton, hand printed, and we have some festive modal tops as well, comfortable with your linen cotton pants. And these are our best sellers. These are our cape sets. We have a lot of colors and prints in these for the summer. You can wear it without the cape as a sleeveless dress as well. Then we have our newly launched summer dresses in different colors, and these are our brand new prints. We also have some shirts, half and half, differently printed, and these are some more shirts. We have a lot of colors for shirts and tops and some neutral ones as well. Please join us. This is Sukoon by Shweta, pure cotton achrak.
Hi, my name is Bijal. My brand name is Beefler. So we have come up with the new handmade crochet flowers. We can customize also as per your demand. Then we have a rainbows, macrame rainbows. Then we have macrame keychains, hoops. Then we have this small cute flowers. Then we have this handmade macrame handbags. We can customize this also. Then we have this Jardosi handwork poetries for your marriage or anything purpose. Then we have this macrame bag. We can customize this also. And we have this kind of wall hangings. You can customize as per your needs.
So you can get your own customized stuff like this. And अगर आप किसी भी चीज़ से obsessed है, you can get it painted here. So this is brand called Chitram and Vastram. So they have products like this. If you are obsessed with Iron Man, he can paint it for you. Jackets में, look at this, some anime, Friends fan, and again anime. So अगर आपको कुछ भी चीज़ paint करानी है, your husband's picture, your dog's picture, your boyfriend's picture, girlfriend, anything, he can do it for you. He's gonna be here for 2 days, so come check him out.
बेसिकली आयुत्रा एक सस्टेनेबल ब्रांड है जिसमें हम लोग 40 to 45 फैब्रिक्स सेलुलॉसिक फैब्रिक्स से यूज़ करते हैं. हम लोग इको प्रिंटिंग टेक्निक भी यूज़ करते हैं. तो बेसिकली हम लोग फॉर्मल वेयर बनाते हैं. लाइक हम लोग का ब्लेजर्स, वी हैव इको प्रिंटेड ब्लेजर विद पैंट्स एंड वेस्ट कोट्स. वी हैव वेस्ट कोट विच आर ब्लॉक प्रिंटेड टू, एंड दीज आर बेसिकली मेड फ्रॉम काला कॉटन एंड खादी फैब्रिक. Soya shirt made from soya bean fabric. Aloe vera shirt made from aloe vera fabric, and also hand painted buttons. Rose fabric. So this shirt is our best selling, made from bamboo fabric. And all these are cord sets, which is new collection.
This is brand called Sihansh, and they are back with their another collection called Euphoria. Now what is special, these are all very summer friendly and a nice resort wear. As you can see, these are very cool shirts and color options आपको मिल जाएंगे. And the best thing about them is this embroidery. This is all hand work. So yes, these are the color options. And then we have something in denim as well. So you can check these out. Look at the detailing they have given. These are all coin handwork, और ये सिंगल हाथ से लगाया हुआ है. And each piece is very different and very unique. You will not find it anywhere else. You can check this jacket out. Very cool, different stylish cuts. And look at the back of this jacket. Very cool. Something in checks. So yes, that's it.
Hi, this is Zwanky. So Zwanky is basically a marketplace in which we curate garments, we import them from Europe as well as we manufacture them in-house. So our in-house brand is called Sway. So in Sway, we focus on the details. So this is one of our best sellers from our latest Valentine's Love Edit. We have vacation fits as well. These are the bodysuits, some summer dresses. Then we are launching some of the exclusive 100% cotton pieces today. These are some of them. Do visit us. Thank you.
So this is brand called Thread Symphony, and whatever you see here are unisex shirts, very summer friendly. These are all cottons, and you can also get your customization using all these fabrics. अगर आपको इस fabric का shirt बनाना है, so they can get it done for you. So this is brand House of Tea, and they have amazing offers given here. So ये flat 40% off section में है, so you'll get very nice cool spaghetti dresses, something like this. These are all flat 40% off. Check these out. And we have this. So these are flat 40% off. And here, whatever you see, ये सारे pieces under 2000 है. So you pick anything, they are all under 2000. उसपे we have quads, we have very flowy dresses. These are also some very cute ones. We have something in white, crop tops. So yes, come down here and check out the pieces.